that ever since Arnie Anderson and I switched law firms, what are you doing?
Now, Thomas!
Get swords down, kid!
It's only the swords.
Okay. Ever since we switched places, crime has been increasing like no other in this city.
Yeah, it must be an unruly coincidence.
Yeah, that's what I thought, until I realized that the day my great-grandfather Humphrey the First started his law firm in Reynolds City, the crime's been going on all the time. It's like they're linked.
Hey, look, we got ourselves a whiz kid here. He's figuring it all out.
Forever wizard kid. What, you got spells?
Wingardium Levy, get out of here, buddy.
What is some sort of tough guy, a smart guy, knows everything about swords?
How come no one said anything about swords?
I don't know what the sword thing is about, but I think I know a little bit about what's going on in Reynolds City.
Oh, dude, why don't you tell us, like, as if we were listening?
And if it's not good, your joints are off.
Yeah, we're gonna kill him.
But if the song is good,
You can keep up.
Yeah, we'll still be mad, though.
sit back and listen, 99.9% gang, because I think I've cracked your case.
Oh, yeah?
You think you run this town.
Well, we do.
Well, we
You
do.
think
Well, we
you
do.
run this whole town. Walking around like you're got all the power and wealth in this town. Well, let me tell you, you don't run this town. The law runs this town. And if you want to try to run this town, you gotta play by the rules. Gotta play by the rules. If you wanna run this town, you gotta play by the rules. If you wanna rule this here town,
Gotta play by the rules.
if you wanna run this town, now you gotta play by the rules. If you wanna run this town, you gotta read up, gotta study hard, gotta learn every statute tort. You gotta read up, learn the law, you gotta read your briefs and all your reports.
This is coming from a guy who's the worst boy in town. You're an idiot. You're a fool. I mean, you're basically a clown. Get out of here, Jeffrey. We don't care what you say. We're the 99.9% idiot. We are here to stay.
You gotta play by the rules.
No, we don't.
If you wanna run this town,
No, we don't.
you gotta play by the rules.
No, we don't.
If you wanna run this town, you gotta play by the rules. Come on, sing it. If you wanna run this town, you gotta play by the rules. If you want to run this here town.
Try and stop us, fool. We'll let you go this time. The next time we run into you, tell him.
Next time we run into you, we're gonna break your joints. Why don't you still able to be mad at law? See, it's all a part of a plan that you're not privy to. Just know this, we've got you in the palm of our hand.
When I was 6, I was gifted a set of swords. They were told they would set me free. So every day I practiced my sword, and now I hope they set me free.
Thank you, Tonto, for that enlightening statement. But as I said, no more swords.
thank God you're awake. I'm so sorry for busting in this late at night. I have big news to tell you.
What?
Here, let's take a seat. In Reynolds City really just only afford one chair. But look, I think I'm not that bad of a lawyer after all.
What do you mean?
Well, listen, you know dinner tonight? You know how that was so weird?
Yeah.
I've heard the story of my family for my whole life. The story of generations of how the Humphreys came in and brought law to this town. But now don't lose me here. I think the whole thing's been a hoax.
A hoax?
Yeah, the Humphreys have been run by the mob this whole time, and the crime has just been. The whole city is running. The crime is everywhere. And the reason that they keep transferring me around and telling me that I'm a bad lawyer and that I never win any cases is that they don't want me to figure it out. They think if I have the confidence to be a good lawyer, I'll be able to crack the case. So they said, "Kid, you're a bad lawyer. Fooly fool."
But, like, what makes you think you can change? You know, every week we catch all of those guys and we bring them into court and we could arrest them, but they get off.
They get off scot-free because everyone in this whole town is working for them.
Yeah. Jeez.
This must be a shock to you. I'm sorry to bring this news to you so late at night.
You know, if only you were defending crimes instead of prosecuting them.
You mean, if I were defending crimes, I could... What do you mean?
It's not, you're not a bad lawyer, you're just bad at winning for the good guys.
No, you're not understanding.
If you were bad at winning for the bad guys, you'd be the best lawyer in town.
I think you might be in this whole system too. You've only ever been a lawyer in Reynolds City. This
right.
whole city is the judges, the lawyers, everything is just run by crime. And you're my best friend, but you're one of them.
Ring, ring! Ring, ring! Arnie! Ring, ring!
Sorry.
Arnold's phone.
Hello.
Hey, yo, Arnie.
This is a bad time.
Who is it, Arnie?
Just wanted to check in, make sure you still like your joints.
Yeah? All right. They are turning in their sockets.
That's right.
Sorry, that was the electrician. Yeah. I still don't see exactly what you're saying. I'm sure there isn't any way I could convince you otherwise.
What?
Like, I really think you're wrong here. If you get rid of the lawyers, it's not going to fix things. That's just going to make crime worse. Remember? It used to be 100% 100 years ago. Everyone knows that. 100 years ago, 100%. It's been drilled into you since you were a little kid.
I know that's, but that's, it only went down to like 75, and it was at 80 for most of the century.
I know.
That's a ridiculous
No.
number. It should be more like 1.
That's lawyers. Let me explain to you. The lawyers, they're the good guys. The lawyers are what you need. And the lawyers will look after you. And the lawyers will collect fees. The lawyers, they're the good guys. They got rid of 20% of the crime.